I'm already behind and I have exactly 1 hour before I have to pick up the kids from school. I don't want to start off the weekend like this, so let's see how much I can catch up on. So before I get started, I want to show you what I'm wearing because this is what I've been living in lately. Now, what you wear on the outside is what everyone sees, but what you wear underneath is what actually makes your outfit look good and put together. And honestly, it's what makes you feel good too. And that's why I keep reaching for Skims. So for me personally, it's just about feeling comfortable and supported, whether I am busy at home or out and about. As you guys know, I have been wearing their pieces for a few years now, their bras, their underwear, their shirts, their nightwear. And what keeps me coming back is how comfortable they feel throughout the day. So I am really picky with fabric. If something feels tight or itchy, or I have to keep adjusting it throughout the day, then it's just a distraction and I will not wear it. But all of my pieces from Skims are super soft. They move with your body and I still feel supported without feeling restricted. So especially right now with spring approaching and the weather is getting a lot warmer, then what I wear underneath my t-shirts really matters. I don't want anything heavy, uncomfortable, or too thick when it's really hot outside. So the pieces that I have been wearing the most are the Fits Everybody Scoop Bralette. I love wearing this around the house while I'm getting chores done or while I am just lounging around watching TV. Next one is the Unlined Demi Bra when I want to feel like I'm wearing nothing because the material is super thin, but there is still enough support underneath. I also love this one because you can remove the back straps and you can wear it with any type of shirt. And then my favorite is the t-shirt bra, which I'm also wearing right now when I want more shape underneath my shirts. They all work for real life scenarios. And no matter what your size is, girl, they've got you covered with over 40 cup sizes ranging from extra, extra small all the way up to 4X. You can find something that will fit you perfectly. And on days where I have a lot to do with a little bit of time, it actually makes a difference. So if you want to try any of my favorites, you can go to skims.com or scan the QR code on the screen. And after you place your order, let them know I sent you. Select YouTube in the survey and scroll down to my channel, Michelle O'Malley. Thank you to Skims for sponsoring today's video, and let's get to it. Let's go ahead and jump right in. It is 2:07 p.m. on a Friday afternoon, and I usually pick up the kids around 3:10. I meant to do this a little bit earlier so that I would have more time, but the day got ahead of me. And here I am against the clock. So the first thing I'm going to do is throw in a load of laundry so that can go ahead and get started while I finish the rest. What I've been trying to do to avoid being overwhelmed is at least stay on top of dishes and laundry each day. It doesn't always happen, but I will create these little 1-hour resets before it gets out of control. I also know that I can accomplish a lot more without my kids making a mess at the same time, so this is why I want to get it done before I pick them up. My goal for this video is to prioritize the dishes and the 3 loads of unfolded laundry. If I, for whatever reason, have some time left over, I was planning on vacuuming all of the floors, but honestly, I didn't really get to that. But how long would it take you to do all of these dishes? You'll see in a minute how long it actually takes me. So I thought I'd get creative and mix up some of the sandwiches with homemade quesadillas, and it looks like my kids didn't enjoy them. It's always these bento boxes and the large items that I have to hand wash that put me back. So we have a really busy weekend ahead of us. All of the spring sports started. So if you have kids who play spring ball or do any activities during the spring, then you probably feel me on this. So we have two of our girls in softball, Rye in t-ball, and a super busy schedule. The girls are also in tumbling, that is year round. So I feel like every single day after school, we are working on homework and then we are headed out to either practices or games. When we get home, we do our nightly routine, baths and bed, and then I am exhausted to do any type of nighttime cleaning. So throughout the day, I like to pick small pockets of time and windows to complete specific tasks. If during the week I completely fall behind, then I will dedicate a Saturday or a Sunday and try and catch up from the week. Because our real life schedule changes so much, so does my cleaning schedule. So I've always been one to be against strict cleaning routines, especially when I felt like they were putting more pressure on me opposed to relieving the pressure. So when I try working with my schedule and instead of trying to always control it, then that's when I actually get stuff done. But anyone have any great chicken or healthy crock-pot recipes? I'm going to start training again, getting back in great shape for summer, and I need some really easy dinner meals that we can go to softball and t-ball games and come home and have it ready for us. The night before here, I think I made some shredded chicken for some tacos or some shredded chicken to add to salads, and now it's time to clean it out. Now, I know you can put the plastic thing in there that goes around the crock pot, but I don't really like cooking things in plastic. I don't know, even though it might be safe. That's just a thing for me, but otherwise, it would make cleaning a lot easier. All right, I did say my priority was just dishes and laundry, but the sink and the sink rack look completely dirty, so I get distracted and I have to clean that too. I should have already known that my sink rack doesn't fit in my dishwasher. My old one did, so now I have to hand wash it instead of just using the little trick where you put it with the dishes. That is going to cost me a little bit of extra time, but we're going to try and get it done fast.
I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand. Love you with all of my heart. Makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. I'm here in my bed. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your, I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. I feel the warmth of your skin. I feel the touch of your hand.
Now, there's always that one dish you forget to add to the dishwasher after you have already started it. But now that I look around, I need to clean off the countertop, so I'm going to add that in quickly. I know that I still have 3 loads of laundry to fold, so I'm going to let all of the dishes self-dry so that I can move on after this.
And without you, I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. Sparkle in your,
So how long do you think all of that took? I didn't think it took that long, but when I look at my watch, it took almost 38 minutes, I think. If I'm doing my math right, I started at 2:07. So I have about 22 minutes to do 3 loads of laundry, and laundry usually takes me a long time to do. So I'm grabbing a quick drink and I'm getting started. Usually the kids' clothes take a long time because I fold everything KonMari style and put it in these little baskets. Usually I have all 3 kids' piles separate, so I wash them separate so I don't have to go through and figure out, is this Sailor shirt or is this Savannah shirt? That is going to take me a little longer here, but when we got back from vacation, I just kind of threw all the clothes together, so I am having to go through and sort out whose is whose. But let's keep going because we're almost there.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun.
Just curious, does anyone fold KonMari style like this? Let me know in the comments below if you do. So I'm done with the first load, and that only took about 10 minutes. And next I'm moving on to towels. Luckily, this doesn't take me too long and it's really simple to fold. So all in all, it took me about 4 minutes. So next I'm actually going to move over to the bedroom. I have the last load to fold. This is a mixture of my clothes and some kids' clothes and some of Chris's clothes too. So I have about 7 minutes to complete it all. And of course, as I'm folding, I'm like, wait a second, our bed needs to be made too, so I can do this easier. Anybody else, every time you start a task or you're in the middle of cleaning something, you're like, this needs to be cleaned too. And you stop and you go run over there and you're like, this needs to be cleaned too. And you just get so distracted. Usually when I'm on a time crunch, I'm constantly telling myself, focus, focus. Like, this is the priority and don't worry about everything else. Let's finish the laundry. Because when you're cleaning, there's really never an ending. That's why there has to be a priority. So now that I'm on the last stretch, I keep thinking to myself, how did time fly by that fast? So now we know time doesn't always fly by when you're having fun. It flies by when you're on a mission. So let's finish this up strong.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So we are down to the last minute, so I'm going to go as fast as possible.
You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall.
So to be honest, I actually went over 1 minute because I just wanted to finish getting everything folded. I did not, however, have time to put away all of the clothes. So after I pick up the kids, then I will come back around and put everything away. The good thing is that they can help me do that. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this type of content. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join this amazing community. It may not be perfect, but we got to start somewhere. So I'll see you all next week.